Hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm here and today we're gonna see that what all guidance is coming for you and what all major events will happen in your life that can be a turning point for you. So let's see. Without wasting any time, let's see what all messages the universe wants to give you as a major shift in your life. Thank you, universe. Please tell me what can the collective. Okay, that's too many cards. Will not take them. Please, spirit guides, guide me for the collective next major event in their life. Thank you, spirits. Please give me the collective's next major event in their life. Oh my god. We have the Six of Wands. Six of Wands is a card of victory, of having something which you wanted for a long time. Six of Wands हमें ये भी बताता है कि this victory will be the turning point of your life. You will have victory in whatever you are asking or manifesting from the universe. This victory card shows that finally, which you've been working for a long time, for which you've been working for a very, very long time and working so hard for this. Maybe this can be a career thing, any exam you were giving, any entrance exam or government jobs or anything that you wanted, a particular job, or this can be even in your relationships if you wanted some. Oh my god, this card just fell, the Star card. You will be in a very attractive position in the coming time. The universe wants to know, want you to know that you will be the star. The star usually represents a person who will be very attractive in terms of his or her aura, personality, and you will be desirable. You will be in that position where everybody admires you, thinks of you as their role model. सब आपके बारे में इतनी तारीफ करना चाहेंगे. You will be so untouchable but yet approachable. Very, very amazing aura you will have. Maybe आप जिम जाना शुरू कर दें. You work on your physical appearance, how you look, how what food you take. एंड स्टार कार्ड हमेशा वो बताता है कि जैसे हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ होते हैं ना, दे हैव टू कीप देम सेल्व्स अप टू द मार्क सो दैट दे गेट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, दे गेट मूवीज़ एंड गुड मूवीज़, एंड दे have to look attractive. So you will look attractive not only externally but also internally. After this victory, whatever this victory is, whatever you'll get, you will have a glow up, a very good glow up. What else? Let's see. Spirit guides, please guide me. What else the collective can expect as a major shift or turning point in their life? Thank you, spirit guides. We have the King of Wands. King of Wands. Oh my god. There is a lot of fire energy here. So you may be Leo and Sagittarius. And I feel that King of Wands is a person, like, you will be very, confident. You will be doing your planning. You will strategizing your career. And you will be very confident in whatever you do. You will have that authority, that power to change your life, and आप अपनी किस्मत अपने हाथों से बदल सकते हैं. You will be very happy and grounded at the same time. You will be humble. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप एक बारी में मतलब you are attractive and you have all the money and career and everything, you will be जैसे लालच आ जाता है ना, वैसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. You will be very humbled and will take good care of you and your environment. the people around you, and you will meet people who are of your standards, you know, your मेंटल लेवल के स्टैंडर्ड्स के लोग आपको मिलेंगे, आपके साथ उनका उठना बैठना होगा. दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग रीडिंग गाइज. ओके, वी हैव द 5 of Wands. देयर कैन बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, ठीक है, इनिशियली. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू शाइन सो ब्राइटली, people will, you know, judge you. People will, you know, say that अभी तो ये कैसा इंसान था एंड अभी ये कैसे, you know, इस पोजीशन पे पहुंच गया. Jealousy, I will say, and people will, you know, try to purposely trigger you. But the universe is saying you don't have to, you know, get triggered by them. That's it. You have to do your own thing, be your own self, and just focus on your growth, and you know, and make boundaries, as much boundaries as you want. Whenever you think that people are crossing that boundary, you may make them clear that this is my boundary, these are my standards, I don't deal with such fights and conflicts. Amazing card. We have the 6 of Pentacles. You will be very, you know, you will earn so much money and fame that you will help others also. You will, you might be, you know, some sort of, you will have some psychic energies also. Like आप ना बहुत ज़्यादा, आपको पता रहेगा कि सामने वाले के मोटिव्स क्या है. सामने वाले से आपको एक बारी में बात करने के बाद, you know, you, sorry, this noise, it's irritating, construction is going on, please ignore that sound guys. Okay, so I was saying that 6 of Pentacles, this card shows that you are a very giving nature. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था ना कि आप बहुत humble होंगे. आपके, you know, ये जो भी सक्सेस है ये सर पे नहीं चढ़ेगा. You will be very humble. You will provide for your family, friends, even your siblings, cousins, relatives. आप बहुत ज़्यादा ना इतने अच्छे पोजीशन पे होंगे, लोग आपको देख के सोचेंगे कि यार मुझे भी ऐसे बनना है. Amazing. And this event can happen into 5 to 6 months, I'm saying. And the color yellow could be very important for you, even green and yellow. I'm seeing a lot of green and yellow. Yeah, we have the 7 of Cups. You will have a lot of options. Whatever you fantasized, you know, whatever you manifested for yourself in the future, you will get that. And 7 of Cups also shows me that you will have a lot of opportunities to open up, to you know, explore in terms of your career, even in terms of people. If some people were not good for you, you cut them off, and then you will see that genuine people are around you. You will be feeling so happy around them. Yeah, we have the 9 of Cups. You will have a lot of options, guys, in the future. आपको अगर अभी ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि अभी तो कुछ है ही नहीं, how will I, you know, ये क्या बोल रही है कि मेरे पास options होंगे. But trust me, you will have a lot of options in your career, but you have to utilize them very wisely for your own sake. Yeah, we have the 7 of Pentacles. You will work hard. You will work hard. आपको सांस लेने का भी टाइम नहीं होगा, इतना काम होगा आपको. And but you will enjoy that work. You know, you will believe in that fact that if you work hard, you will get results. ये हाँ. We have the 9 of Swords. Right now you are in this energy. हो सकता है आपको भी रात को स्लीपलेस नाइट्स हो रही हों. और दिस कैन इवन मीन दैट व्हेन यू गेट ऑल दिस सक्सेस एंड एवरीथिंग ना, रात को आप थोड़ा लोनली फील करते होंगे, सोचते होंगे मनी मन की व्हाई डू पीपल जज मी एंड एवरीथिंग. द यूनिवर्स इज टेलिंग यू टू टेक लेस स्ट्रेस. लोग क्या सोचते हैं, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, उसके बारे में मत सोचिए. आप अपना काम करिए. यू विल शाइन लाइक अ डायमंड, ट्रस्ट मी. Yeah, we have the 3 of Cups. I told you na, you will be surrounding yourself with people who genuinely, you know, is happy for you, who genuinely will be happy for you, who will enjoy with you, celebrate with you. These people are the one whom you should surround yourself with, you know. Yeah, we have the Judgment card. The Judgment card is a call from the universe that yes, if you have done your work, if you have done your hard work, the universe will give you whatever you deserve. अगर आपने मेहनत की है, आपने पूरी लगन से ये चीज़ की है, 100% दिया है अपना, बाकी आप यूनिवर्स पे छोड़ दो, यूनिवर्स will do their job. Yeah, we have the Queen of Pentacles. There is a lot of Pentacles energy here. I feel that your career, whatever you wanted, जो भी चीज़ आप सोच के बैठे हो ना अपने करियर से रिलेटेड, ये आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी. You will be this queen who gets everything she wants, and you will have that power, that authority, that independence, that confidence within yourself, you know, and you will be victorious. You will be victorious. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पर मुझे येलो की एनर्जी दिख रही है, बहुत पॉजिटिविटी की एनर्जी दिख रही है मुझे. आपको क्वीन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, शी इज़ अ पर्सन हु इज़ इमोशनली अवेलेबल टू एवरीबडी, बट शी नोज व्हाट टू डू, and where to invest her energy. She's very mature with her emotions, and she is very focused in her career. So I feel that you should be very aware of your responsibilities, and आप बहुत ज़्यादा ना career oriented होते हुए दिख रहे हैं, which is very good for you in the long run. Yeah, we have the Moon card. There will be some negative energies around you. Some people will try to bug you down and say things ki anyway, in any way they can bug you down, and the universe wants you to know that please don't get demotivated by these people. These people are just jealous. They don't want you to be successful, and automatically when you reach this Queen of Pentacles energy, you will cut these people off from your life. Yeah, we have the Ten of Wands, Ten of Swords. This will only happen when a cycle will be completed. 10 means that a cycle is ending. 10 denotes an ending. Okay, whatever this ending is, this ending will bring you new people, new job opportunities, new career life, everything new, and you will be so happy after this. क्योंकि जब कोई ख़राब चीज़ ख़त्म होती है तभी कोई एक अच्छी चीज़ शुरू होगी, राइट? सो 10 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स हमें ये बता रहा है कि जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी है, जो नेगेटिव लोग हैं आपकी लाइफ में, वो सब आपकी लाइफ से चले जाएंगे, एंड यू विल बी इन दिस क्वीन एनर्जी. You will celebrate with people who love you genuinely. Let's take one more last card. We have the Nine of Pentacles. There is a lot of Pentacles. You will be very successful in your career once you break through all of this negativity. जितने नेगेटिव लोग हैं आपकी लाइफ में, आपको लगता है, अगर थोड़ा सा भी आपको गट फीलिंग आती है दैट दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट राइट फॉर मी, देन कट देम ऑफ. टॉक्सिक पीपल के लिए आपके लिए जगह नहीं है लाइफ में. जब आप टॉक्सिक पीपल को हटा देंगे, देन यू विल बी इन दिस एनर्जी. There's a lot of yellow in your reading. You will be in the Queen energy, guys. Pentacles, paisa, happiness, independence. That's what career is all about. So I feel that जब तक आप इस एनर्जी से डील करेंगे, कोई तो ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको हटानी पड़ेगी अपनी लाइफ से, तब आपको ये सक्सेस मिलना श्योर है ये सक्सेस मिलना आपको. बस आपको लोग क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में ना सोच के, आपको यू हैव टू डू योर ओन थिंग. यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट विद इन योर सेल्फ एंड जस्ट गो ऑन विद योर लाइफ. यू हैव a lot of luck coming to you. So okay, that was your reading. I hope that resonated with you. Please do like, share and comment on all these energies, and I'll see you next time.